A very good morning to all my children and welcome to your English class. I hope you all are doing well and are fine at home. Let's start our class today with a minute's silence to bring some peace and calmness into our minds and into our hearts. Oh, I'm very thirsty.
Whoa, this glass is too big, but this glass is small. I will have this glass. I have to go for a party today. Which earring should I wear? This is an old earring. I think I will wear my new earring.
So children, did you notice the words that I have been using in those sentences? Yes, big, small, old, new. So these are opposites. What are opposites? Do you know that? Opposites are words which are completely different in meaning from each other. Like I said, old, new, and big, small. So which chapter are we doing? We are doing the missing honey pot. Now let's pick up a few words from the missing honey pot. Let's take honey. And what is honey? Honey is sweet. So what is the opposite of sweet? Sour. Now Wabbit the rabbit was a good friend. Now friend's opposite is enemy. And let's take up one more word. Let's take what happened to the missing honey pot. It was lost. It was missing. So the opposite of lost is found. So these are few words from the chapter The Missing Honey Pot. Let's go through some more examples.
Alright, so here are some examples that we have. Let's have a closer look. Sad. And what happens? Happy. This is a long pencil. Short pencil. Long, short. Close, open. Close, open. Girl, boy. Girl, boy. Day, night. Day, night.
So I hope these examples were helpful to you. Now let's take out your English reading comprehension practice book, page number 14, and go through some more examples.
Now let's see these opposites on our page number 14. The first one is day and night. Find, lose. Under, over. Friend, enemy. Love, hate. Here, there. Shout, whisper. Open, close. Happy, sad. In, out. So these are some opposites. After these opposites, what I want you to do is come down to this exercise. In this exercise, you're going to match the opposites. Can you see the column that I have drawn? This is exactly what you're going to do. You will not be drawing any lines because that will look dirty and messy. Instead, you're going to draw the line over here, just like this, and you're going to write the number of the correct answer. So for example, the first one is tall. What is the answer? What is the opposite for tall? It is short. So in front of short, you will write number 1. Similarly, with thin, you will have, what is the answer? What is the opposite for thin? Fat. So in front of fat, you're going to write number 2. Am I clear? Now, after doing match the opposites, you will come down to your value question. Now, what is the question? Whom did Todd share the honey with? Whom did he share? Yes, you all are very smart. I'm not giving the answer. You're going to write the answer over here. But do you remember the value of the story? Yes, absolutely right. The value of the story is sharing. Now, sharing and caring is the value that we're talking about in this chapter, which is the missing honey pot. Now, Wabbit the rabbit was a good friend and he cared for his friend Todd. And that is why he went to help Todd to look for his honey pot, because he cared. And what about Todd? Todd also cared for his friend, and that is why he would also share his honey with Wabbit the rabbit. So children, always remember these values that we learn, that is sharing, caring. Always care for your friends, share with your friends and your loved ones.